Seriously, it's been a while since I uploaded a video of more than 2 minutes. So today, right inside my kitchen, I decided to video myself making my vegetable soup. Although I did not take you guys along with all the ingredients. Anyways, it happens sometimes. So before I carry on, please do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, and drop me an amazing comment. Now, I think I need to ask myself a big question. Why haven't I been uploading videos of more than 2 minutes? I guess the question, it's really glaring to my face. I'm just lazy. I think I need to pick up my strength to face uploading on this app while I'm making my soup. Do you know YouTube is one of the best apps from my research? Believe me or not, it's still the best. Okay, enough of the praising of YouTube. My soup is almost ready, and I'll be having this soup with either an oat or eba, also known as gari. Yay, the aroma in my kitchen is already giving. I had this extra veg in my blender, so I needed to put it in the freezer. It will be useful for next time. No time for waste anymore. I'll go ahead and get everything ready. I just remember to put extra red oil in my vegetable soup. I'm also a fan of plenty pepper in my vegetable soup. Some people might not like it, but I love pepper a lot. Like I said before, my soup is almost ready. I will stir my vegetable soup. Then I will taste for salt and even pepper again. Of course, I did stir and I checked for salt. Did you observe anything around me? Figure it out and put in the comment section. At this point, I think I'm satisfied. It's time to do the cleaning. How do you always do your cleaning? Do you cook and clean? Or you wait after you finish cooking, then you clean? Please drop your comment on the comment section. At this point, I will allow you guys to watch the video to the end. Remember to like, subscribe, and share the video to friends and families.